Are you ready for the waterfall? I'm so excited for this waterfall. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
No, I told you not to do that! 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 Why would you do that? I have to clean up all my mess! Why would you do that? Why would you do that? I have to clean up all your mess! I don't like cleaning up all the garbage! You clean the floor! I'm done with you! You're such a piece of garbage! I'm sick of you! I'm sick of you! You're the worst! Look at the mess you made! Look at this awful mess!
Yeah.
I'm so sick of you. I told you not to do this.
You said I could for the thumbnail.
No, I didn't. You're a liar. You're a liar.
I have to eat this food.
Eat it.
Well, now my hands, my precious fingers, my precious, precious fingers.
I don't care about your dainty fingers. Just eat your food and clean up your mess. I'm not cleaning it for you. I'm done with you.
Shh! Get out this room. I'm done
with you. I'm done with you. I'm calling Nancy.
Don't call Nancy.
I'm calling her.
Don't call Nancy. It's your fault. Look what you did to my husband. He's in distress. He anxiety through the roof because he can't handle this pressure of having to clean after me because it's your fault because I had to entertain you. Cheapers.